Hello, today I'm joined by Stacey, Clarke from Millgate. Hi Stacey, it's great to have you here today.
Great to be here.
Could you tell me a little bit about what you do at Millgate? Tell us more about your role.
Yeah, so I'm the Operations and Service Delivery Director. So that means I look after our engineering, our services department, and also our internal and external operations and keep the cogs going of the main business, I suppose.
Fantastic. And whilst we're talking about Millgate then, could you tell me about some of the key milestones that they've achieved over the past couple of years?
Yeah, so I think one of the most prominent ones in the last few years has definitely been putting in some more structure into the company. So that means a senior leadership team, the operations department itself, and developing our learning and development, and also developing our partner relationships, which is why I'm here speaking to you today.
Fantastic. So now we know more about Millgate and the key milestones. You've worked with us for a long time. Could you tell us about how TD SYNNEX have supported the Microsoft CSP business growth?
Yeah, of course. So this pure structure that you have at TD, the amount of resource and support that we have, when it comes to upskilling and training our workforce, whether that's in sales or support or pre-sales. And I think the growth that we've had in the last financial year being over 50% is testament to that support that you can provide to us.
That's fantastic. I know from our regular meetings that Millgate have got quite big growth aspirations. How do you see the partnership with TD SYNNEX supporting that?
Well, I think TD SYNNEX are both supporting that internally and externally. So from Microsoft, obviously how we communicate internally as a team, where we store our data using Copilot. And I think with our clients, you know, it's all about educating the workforce further and really spreading that across, not just across the sales team, but also in support, in billing, really understanding licensing and software across the board.
That's great, Stace. I've got one final question for you, if that's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Why did Millgate choose to partner with TD SYNNEX? And what makes this partnership so valuable for your business?
I think it's because TD SYNNEX are always one step ahead. So whether we're talking about communication, data, Copilot, the circular economy, and Millgate are getting involved in all of those areas. And that's, you know, for us internally as well as our clients. And I suppose while we're talking about our clients, we do an annual tech expo. And what we're wanting to do is put several of those on in a year. And TD SYNNEX have always been a big part of that and a big Microsoft presence. And I think it just gives us more opportunity to bring you closer to our clients more often. And ultimately, we want to be the Microsoft chosen partner of choice for our customers and new customers. And we definitely know that TD SYNNEX can get us there.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for coming today and thank you for the valuable insights. It's been great having you.
Thank you very much for having me.